Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix multiplayer not working error in Mortal Kombat 1. So first is to check for server status. Sometimes the Mortal Kombat servers are down or having problems. You can check the status of the servers on the Warner Bros. Game Support website. The next one is to check your internet speed. So you can go to an online speed test to check the speed of your internet because it is one of the very important things if you are playing an online game. Okay, so the next one is download the latest version of the Mortal Kombat 1. So one of the reasons why you can play the multiplayer in Mortal Kombat 1 is that because you did not download the latest version of it. Okay, so the next one is to verify the game file's integrity. To do this, navigate to your Steam and then right click the Mortal Kombat and then click on Properties. Now click on the installed files and then verify integrity of game files. And then from here, select the library and then click on manage. Okay, that's right. And then click on verify. Next one is to contact the Mortal Kombat support. So to contact the customer service, tap on the three-line bar present in the top right corner of the in-game home screen. Choose the customer service option from the drop-down list that appears next. Once you are redirected to the customer service page, you will be asked to provide the below information: the type of your issue, account lock and purchase, technical bug report, and etc. Your first name, your email address, a detailed description of your issue in the form of a message. Make sure to be to the point in your message. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.